So I used some leather and some leather tools to make this cool holster. It's kind of like a pocket insert really for maybe a bag or something like that where you want to keep everything oriented and accessible. So it holds this cool case knife, which is a pretty decent little knife with a lock back. Form fit with the leather, kind of get the leather wet, form it to shape, let it dry to shape, and then I sew it and then stain it. Also left room for screen light, which I don't have a battery in right now, and I'll allow the clip to kind of form into the leather as it was forming as well. And then you can put whatever other tools you might want when you're making your stuff custom. So use the simple leather tool, use some craft leather, and then leather dye, and then an oil to coat and weatherproof it. Hope this helps.